Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. So today, Appa is going to steam the fish, and this is one of my most favorite fish of all. It is called flondes. Yeah, it is called flondes fish, and it is very flat. It is white meat. The meat is very sweet and tender. If this fish is 300 kilogram, it is actually becoming a cod fish called a halibut. Yeah, the big size of it is actually one type of the cod fish. So you can imagine how nice this fish is. Some restaurant it is. I saw some restaurants saying this at 300 ringgit per kg. Of course, this one I buy from online is much more cheaper. And this fish here is about 700 or 800 grams, just nice for a table size. So what you do here, it is you make few slits on the fish body, and then we are going to give it a little bit of salt. Yeah, marinate it with a little bit of salt here, and we shall send it to the steamer. And while I'll be making the easiest steamed fish sauce ever, easiest. All right, first you need to preheat your steamer. Some people thought this is an oven. This is actually a combi oven, meaning it's a combination between a steamer and an oven here. All right, so I already preheat to the temperature I wanted, at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. Put in the fish in the middle, close it, and let it do its job. I'm going to steam it for approximately 10 minutes, plus minus. All right, so let me show you the simplest way of making steamed fish sauce. I have a half bowl of water here. I'm using hot water. You can use room temperature, it's okay, fine. Put in few tablespoons of light soy sauce, a little bit of garlic oil or sesame oil. Done. Your steamed fish sauce is ready. Seriously, it's done. I'm not kidding. Mix everything up. Steamed fish sauce is ready. Alright, this is after approximately 10 minutes. What you can do is after steaming, you can actually leave it inside your steamer for about 1 minute to allow the residual heat to cook through the fish. Yeah? So open it. Wow, look at the steam. Be careful with the hot steam. Yeah? And I'm going to take it out. Oh, a lot of fishy water here. We don't want that, yeah? All right, so I have removed the steamed fish water. Those are the source of fishiness. You want to remove that, yeah? And then I also removed the ginger. How do you know whether it's fully cooked or not? You can use something sharp. Try to poke through the thickest portion of the fish. If you can get it through very easily, it is fully cooked, right? So next thing, very easy. I'm going to pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish, which only have two things inside. It's like soy sauce and garlic oil. Next thing, I have some fried garlic. I'm going to bungee the fish with a lot of garlic here. And not quite yet. I'm still going to garnish it with a little bit of chili padi. There you go. Here's my very simple steamed fish, but it is still going to taste really good. Right? I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.